Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add the BCC option to your email on Outlook using a Mac computer. The year 2026, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad and go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Outlook and then make sure that you are signed into the account. So let's now click on a brand new email to check which options we have available on screen. So we have the ability to send an email to a recipient as well as carbon copy, but we do not have the BCC option available on screen. However, we can go to the top right corner to click on BCC in order for that to be imported onto the third line, but that's not what we want. So let's now go to the top right corner, settings. We want to click on, let's just say general, or we want to go to email and go to compose and reply, and here we have the message format. Choose whether to display the from and BCC lines when you're composing a message. We want to click on always show BCC. So now let's click on save, click on the X. We now want to compose a brand new email. Click on new email, increase the size of the email window, and there we have it. BCC is on screen for us to send emails to recipients without the individuals knowing that that individual that has been BCC'd into the email can see the email, but they are unaware of it. We can now quit the email, quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.